Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T420W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC. Click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. Center it. Here we find properties. Scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Brother DCP-T420W printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website. Here we find downloads and our printer name. Open the first link. And Brother official website is open. Here we find operating system OS. Select Windows. In a OS version, operating system version, select Windows 10 32-bit if Windows 10 is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Select it and click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page. After that, scroll down and here we find the drivers. Here is the IMP thing drivers, and here we find printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. Click on that. Printer driver and scanner driver for USB. Click on that. It's redirect you to the another web page, and after that here we find agree to download. Click on agree to download. It's redirect to another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to completely download. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy and simple. Double click on it or right click on it and click on the run as administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds and it's unzip our files on our desktop. Create a new folder and unzip our all files on our PC or laptop. Click on OK. Here we find newly extracted folder GDI. Double click on it. Here we find our files and we are going to install these files. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Printers and scanners are open. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The new options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, IMP options. Click at this. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Most IMP part is the existing port. Select the existing port. Click at here. And if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select USB. Click on the next. Click on Havotics. Click on Browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our folder. Here we find GDI, newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. I select this file. You can select any file that you want. Select your file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find many printers from this list. Find the T420. Here we find Brother DCP-T420W printer. Select your printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Brother DCP-T420W printer. You can give any name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds and after that here we find in a printer list Brother DCP DCP-T420W printer. That means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in our PC or laptop, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.